Welcome to the Foundry of Rolex, where pure gold begins its transformation. Inside high-temperature furnaces, gold melts into a glowing liquid. At extreme heat, it flows like molten fire. Precise elements are added: silver, copper, and palladium, creating Rolex's signature Everose gold. The mixture is carefully controlled, ensuring strength, stability, and its unique color. Now, casting begins. Molten gold is poured into molds.
As it cools, solid bars are formed, the foundation of every Rolex case. Next, precision machining takes over. Advanced CNC systems shape the gold. Diamond tools carve with microscopic accuracy. While cooling systems protect the metal's structure, slowly the Oyster case emerges, defined by sharp, flawless lines. Every surface is scanned by lasers, measured down to the micron. Even the smallest imperfection is corrected. Nothing is wasted. Every fragment is recycled. Now, we move deeper inside, to the heart of the watch. Tiny components are assembled with extreme care: gears, springs, and synthetic rubies. The parachrome hairspring forms the core, resistant to shock and magnetic fields. Each part is polished and aligned, reducing friction to near zero. Now, assembly begins. A master watchmaker builds the movement by hand. Every screw is tightened with precision. Every drop of lubricant is carefully placed. Then, the moment of life. The balance wheel begins to move. A steady rhythm forms. The watch is now alive. The movement is placed inside its gold case, sealed for protection and durability. Next, attention turns to the dial, finished with precision and care. Markers and hands are installed, perfectly aligned. For select models, diamonds are set by hand, adding brilliance to the design. Before completion, testing begins. Each watch faces extreme conditions: water pressure, shock resistance, time accuracy. Standards exceed official certification, maintaining exceptional precision every day. Only flawless pieces move forward. Approved for final completion. Now complete, the watch emerges, a product of fire, engineering, and human mastery. From raw gold to finished form, every step is controlled. This is more than a watch. It is a legacy. Rolex, built to last for generations.